Hi! Gusto ko lang i-share yung thoughts ko about sa recent interview ng Bini where they tried Filipino snacks. To be honest, medyo disappointing. Gets ko naman, iba-iba talaga ang panlasa ng tao at hindi lahat ng Filipino food magiging bet ng lahat. Pero yung reactions nila, parang ang dismissive at walang respeto. Hindi kasi ito about sa kung gusto mo yung pagkain o hindi. It's about how you respond sa something na bahagi ng culture natin. Some of them look genuinely grossed out and parang wala man lang effort to appreciate it. Nakaka-frustrate kasi sila yung nagre-represent ng grupo na dapat nagpapalakas ng Filipino pride. As public figures na may pangalang Bini, ibig sabihin, Filipina, may influence talaga sila. Lalo na sa kabataan at international fans. So, kung ipapakita nila na nakakahiya ang sariling pagkain, ang sama ng dating. Hindi lang sa kanila, kundi sa image ng Filipino culture. Hindi mo naman kailangang mahalin lahat ng ulam or street food, pero the least na pwede mong ibigay ay respeto at curiosity. Kahit street food yan, parte yan ng pagkatao ng maraming Pinoy. Diyan tayo lumaki, diyan na-attach yung mga memories, kwento at identity natin. So kung magki-cringe ka lang at para bang, ano to, hindi cool yun. Honestly, I expect better from them. Lalo na lagi silang about empowerment at pagiging proud na Pinoy. Pero you can't just pick the fun and glamorous parts of being Filipino. Kung i-represent mo ang kultura, dapat buo. Kahit yung messy, flavorful, street side parts, I still believe may chance pa silang matuto at mag-grow. Pero sana, ma-realize nila na ang pagiging representative ng kultura natin ay may kasamang responsibility. Culture isn't about style or aesthetic. It's about lived experience. It's felt, it's shared, it's eaten, and it deserves better.